Hello dear friend, there is a major update for Affinity Photo and Affinity Designers. You see, I am now in Affinity UI inside here. Here you see, would you like to install the update from 2.5.5 to 2.5.6? Here you can install. This is actually Affinity Suite had been running the beta version beta 2.6 for almost 2 months. Now they have finally released, and there is also a good news that on the all the Affinity product you can, there is a large discount about Affinity Photo Designers and Affinity Publisher. You see here on my laptop here, Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and Affinity Publisher too. I have purchased all these only for almost, I think, 83 here. 83 USD. It's a good deal. If you haven't purchased, you can purchase this, and it's really the best alternative of Adobe Creative Suite, dear friends. Here you see 50%. No, the Black Friday is going on. If you don't see, you have to come here. You see help. From here you can check for update. You see now I have update. In the same way, you have to come to here designer. Here you see I have Affinity Designer here. I'm opening now. The same way you see here, Affinity Designers, would you like to install update from 2.5.5 to 2.5.6? You have to click yes, install. Otherwise, if you don't see, you have to come here, help, in the same way, and you have to click for. No, I want to update because I have already purchased Affinity Designer and Photo. I had been working in this good software for almost 2 months on trial. It's a good that Affinity Suite is providing us a 6 month free trial here, and it's really a good deal. On this Black Friday, you see we have almost major discount here. The product which only photo is you see here 34 USD only photo, but here 82, almost for 83 USD you can buy the whole suite. Here all this universal license you can buy here. It's a really a good deal. I don't know how long this Black Friday will continue, but if you have money, if you want to invest in good things, if you want to get rid of monthly subscription of Adobe Creative Suite so costly, dear friend, it's a good chance actually. You see here 164 USD, not after discount. You see 82, almost 83 USD. No, you can buy. I bought all these three programs, dear friend. You can also buy, and only photo Affinity Photo is only 64 USD before Black Friday, but after Black Friday, it's no, during Black Friday it's only for 33, almost 34 USD. It's really a great deal. It's like ridiculous. It's so cheaper, and you can do 90% of your work which you do professionally inside Adobe Creative Suite, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, or Adobe InDesign. You can do here in Adobe Designer, in Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Publisher. And for my video editing, I choose Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve. No, I'm going to install. Just we will install and we will see how the interface is. No, dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more creative video for you, dear friend. So no, we continue install. No, we are installing here. You see, in the same way we come here to Affinity here, and we will come here to window help about. You see, check for update. Just check for update here. Yes, I want to install update. Now we are installing this update. Dear friend, listen till the end. This class will be very interesting. We will see the UI and the performance software and the user experience of this Affinity Designer and Photo after installing this update. Hello dear friend, you see we have just installed the update here. Now I want to, for example, I want to make YouTube thumbnail here 1280 by 720 here, 720, and our DPI will be 72 for our normal YouTube thumbnail. We will just click here. You see, we are now inside here. For making YouTube thumbnails, we have already set up our background here, and from here we will check. We can choose color here. You see any colors if you want. For example, I want for this YouTube. I will just click this color. You see now we have actually now we can, you can write here from, we can text. This is artistic text tool. We will just click here and we will write here. You see, I have written Affinity update and Black Friday. We will, you see, from cursor we will just drag and we can make like this, like bigger. You see, it's a very easy to work in Affinity if you have worked in Photoshop. And we will just drag text to here, make bigger. And if you want to text, just Control A. We will click here and we can just add like this, like red, like blue. You can click here and drag. And for example, I want this red. Okay, we will take red, and from here you can change the font. You see here font, we will take black. It's a black is good actually. Black means it's more bold. You see, it's more. If you want to drag, just move tool. You see, move tool is a V shortcut. We will just normally I want to see the performance how it's working. So you see we have made actually this text affinity update and Black Friday. And if you want to add outline here to text, we'll come here and you see here rectangle. We'll just click here on rectangle. And if you want to come here, this stroke. Actually, stroke it means outline. It will add outline. We have no outline here. We will come and you see here. We'll click this. This is white actually. We'll just click here like this. This you see black outline is black, and you can the width of outline you can increase from here. You can add cap. In the next class we will learn. We will have no tutorial, our long tutorial, our Affinity designer, publishers, and photo. We are now inside Affinity Photo. We can increase if you want to change the color of the outline. You come. You can make white. You can give white color like this. Black like navy blue green you can add. We'll just add here black is okay, just black will come here. In this way you can add you can anytime you can increase the width like in this way. You see if you want to increase the text from here, we just drag like this. You see here in this way we can add drag actually. If you want to make this bigger width like we can learn, we'll just click. You see here we will hold here, use this white point here. We come to text here, and here you see white point here. From here you can increase decrease this white point. You can make bigger smaller. From here you can rotate. From here you can rotate like this text. You see this is the rotation point. I don't want to rotate actually. You see from here you can hold here on your cursor and you drag like this. You can make like in this way. In this way I want to take the logo of Infinity. We'll just come here. You see here I have one photo. I will just drag here. You see I want to make it small because in this way we have visible here. We will make a small like we will drag here. You have to come here and move tool and you can move from here. You see we are just trying to make a very small, very easy YouTube thumbnail. If you are beginner, this course will be very helpful to you, dear friend. If this is helpful, please subscribe the channel and control on your keyboard for you can make a smaller bigger. Control just and scroll your mouse bigger smaller and shift alt shift. You see from here left right you can move alt or hold alt on your keyboard. Just drag your scroll your mouse up and down. You can in this way you can control the UI of Affinity Photo. Just like if you have worked in Photoshop, you can very easily work here. No, I want to take a thumbnail for logo. Here we have logo. We will just drag our logo here. And you see it's a bigger it's because non-destructive. It's now we'll just drag here. It's smaller like this. You see here we will put it's actually we are making very simple logo. Just I will come here left right. I have told you it's very easily. Scroll down. You see now Affinity black. If you want to export, Control Shift Alt S. See now you can export here. We'll just click here and PNG everything is okay. And I want to no export. Export. I have here. I write just Affinity. I have all YouTube thumbnail here. Affinity thumbnail. Affinity thumbnail. I write here. Save. I have already one file, so I will write change the name here. Affinity.thumb. It's okay. Now we come here and I have this in a YouTube thumbnail folder. We just click here and see in photo just once. You see I have this is how the good quality is good. We have made just a simple Affinity Photo and Black Friday and a very simple thumbnail. In this way you can make in thumbnails. It's actually for beginner, dear friend. We will add more about in advanced class about Affinity Photo. In the same way we come here, we have designer here, and we can add make logo. In the next class we will see how we have just updated. We can make logo inside Affinity Designer. And this is a publisher here. I have already bought all these programs just for 83 USD, dear friend. It's a fantastic. Just for whole life. This is perpetual license. If there will be Affinity V3 or some upgrade, major upgrade, then we have to pay some in discount. There will be some discount always from Affinity, and they give some good. They take care of our customers like us and YouTubers. So that's why I have quit Photoshop because Photoshop was very costly for me, dear friend, and Affinity Photo is affordable and almost all professional tasks which I was performing inside Adobe Creative Suite, Adobe Photoshop, and Designers, Illustrator, all like everything I can do inside Affinity Suite there. So here you see this is a designer, photo, publisher, and from here you can buy individually Affinity Photo. I bought individually, but I thought that later that realized that no, it's a good deal to buy all because designers and publisher, because sometimes we need to make logo etc and more advanced tasks you can do inside Affinity Designers for for vector graphic or for raster. For Affinity Photo is okay, and publisher, sometimes we need publisher if you want to make brochure or you design books, etc. If you have more tasks from clients, so you can actually, there's an beneficial, actually you see here 82 164 before Black Friday. No, after Black Friday it's 82.9, means 83 USD. You can try for 6 months here if you want. I was on trial for 6 months on Affinity trial, and I work in this, and later I realized that no, we should go for purchase plan here. If you come here, you see no, our Affinity version is here. It's activated. You see my license is, so you can go for this good Black Friday if you don't want to miss this opportunity, because we don't know the policy of company changes time to time, dear friends. So Black Friday and 50% you see in publishers here on photo, everywhere we have a major discount here, dear friend. And you can use this on Mac OS and Windows and iPad you can use. This is not available for Linux, unfortunately, dear friend, but for Windows user and Mac user, it's a really a good thing. It's a good deal, dear friend. You see, if you want to buy here individually, you see individual licenses here. You see Mac 34. Before discount it was 69. You see almost 70 USD, but no, after discount it's a big discount here, and big, it's really ridiculous. It's so cheap, and it's the best alternative of Adobe Creative Suite, dear friends. So we have updated and we have gone through how you can take benefit of this Black Friday, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Don't forget to share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. We have a nowadays tutorial about DaVinci Resolve and Affinity Designer and Caden Live video editing software and software update. Go to playlist and see, dear friend, and don't forget to subscribe the channels. It actually gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.